Alright, this is 2002 Toyota 4RUNNER. Alright, so there is no power going into this the end of this electrical harness that is plugged into the pump. Okay, so we're gonna check the open circuit relay. Alright, the open circuit relay is on this side right here. So we're gonna remove the this panel, this trim right here, and then this panel right there to get into the open circuit relay. Right, the open circuit relay is located on it's on the left side, driver's side panel right here. So let me show you where that one is. Alright, so that is the circuit relay right there. Sorry about that. I just don't have a very good a hand over here. So, but as you can see, alright, the open circuit relay is this one right here. That is the relay. Okay. Oops. Alright. So that is the relay right there. This one. That one is the relay. Okay. Alright, so I I checked the relay and the relay was good. Okay. And so according to the wiring diagram, there is a fuse over here. Over there, it's the alright, so it's the IGN 10 amp fuse. It's the one on the middle. It's the third one from the top is the IGN 10 amps. So that's the ignition fuse. Alright, so the problem is when you turn the key on, there is no power going into the pump. So the fuse is blown. The fuse is blown. So I pulled the fuse, and let me show you the fuse that I pulled out from this panel. All right, so this is the 10 amp fuse that I pulled out of the fuse panel. Okay, so as you can see, right there, it's OL. It's out of loop. Okay, so that's an open loop fuse right there. Now, if you can see through here that it was blown. Okay. I went to Walmart and bought a fuse, a mini fuse. Okay, and this one is the new one. So let's measure that. Measure it with multimeter. We'll put in ohms, and there you go. There's a continuity right there on this new fuse. Alrighty. Alrighty, so here we are. We're gonna test it and see if this a red light should come on from this tester. If there is a power, if there is now power going into the pump or coming out from this harness. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give it a test and look for the red light from this power probe. Okay. All right. We're gonna give it a crank. Ready? All right. Let's see, the red lights came on, and also you hear the beeping sound. All right, I'll crank it again. There you go. There is the the lights came on. Okay. Ready. All right. So now it's verified. It's verified that we do have a power coming into this harness now, going into the pump. Okay. All right. So what I want to show you is the wiring diagram. So this is the ignition switch right here, and this is the 10 amps fuse that we just replaced, and here is the fuel pump, and this is the circuit opening relay. So what happened was, when you crank it, the fuse is open. There is no power going into this circuit opening relay, and so therefore there is no power voltage going into the harness, going into the fuel pump. Okay, so that is the schematic, the diagrams right there, wiring diagrams for the from the ignition switch to the ignition fuse, and the circuit opening relay, and into the pump.